In this very short tutorial today, I'm going to be speaking about our 750 watt bench polishers. And hopefully I'm not coming across as a late night radio presenter speaking too sexually about these machines. However, they are a really good machine. They are. So you can see on this page there are quite a few kits, and they're very versatile. This machine is powerful enough for you to lean into it without it really slowing down at all. So it's basically a 1 horsepower. And yeah, so I'm just going to go into one that's more comprehensive so I can give you an idea of what all the products do. So we're sitting at $645 for this machine, and that actually is free postage at the moment, which is awesome. Anyway, here we go. So as you can see, it looks like it's a converted bench grinder, but it isn't. It's specifically made to be a polishing machine, so it has extended shafts to give you that extra space in case you're working on something fairly large. It's got the taper spindle adapters, so you can use not only the soft centered type wheels, let me correct myself. You can use you can use the soft centered wheels with these tapered adapters. You can also use the metal centered airflow wheels that'll bolt onto the shafts. So,
power through your polishing projects like a pro.
Look at that. How keen is it? So you got this variety of compounds and this selection of wheels. So starting from the most aggressive, you got the sisal, the color stitch, the white stitch, the loose leaf calico, and the swan's down. Sisal being the most aggressive, swan's down being the softest for the highest finish. We have some compounds that will go with these wheels. So these are the cutting compounds, and that's a brown Tripoli, the grey coarse cutter, and the bright cut. So depending on what finish you want and what kind of abrasive you've used to prepare the surface with, and whether you're working on steel or alloy. For example, you'd use the brown with the sisal or the color stitch. For alloy, you can use the grey and the terracotta for steel and stainless. I mean, saying that, you can actually use either or, but they've been specifically made for that kind of work. So moving on to the finishing compounds, you've got the stainless steel, you've got the multi-shine, and you've got green chrome, which is wrapped up in that white tube. So again, these finishing compounds can be used on most metals. Stainless steel, obviously made specifically for stainless steel. The green chrome for either stainless or alloy. The blue compound, the multi-shine, can literally remove scratches from CDs with the loose leaf calico and the swan's down. So really good for high finishes on soft metals, on plastics. We actually sell quite a few of these machines to polish guitars, would you believe it? So the lacquer on guitars. Yeah, so if you are, or once you've finished working on a project, you can use the polishers to finish the job off. And I do suggest that you freshen these wheels up regularly whilst you're polishing, and you don't necessarily need to, in fact, you don't need to apply a lot of compound on the polishing wheel. As it spins, hold the compound against it for literally 2 or 3 seconds, and off you go. And every few minutes, freshen the polishing wheel up either with a wire brush or one of our rakes, reapply the compound and continue. That way you'll get a nice consistent finish. And basically with this whole kit here, you are honestly going to get a mirror finish. It'll come up beautifully. So yes, Shumba. By the way, Shumba, it means lion in an African language. Shona. It's found in Zimbabwe, which, yeah. So there's nothing nefarious or dodgy about the name. So basically, it's a lion of a machine. It's the king of machines. My name is Rex. That also means king. So there's a story behind it. Anyway, don't hesitate to give us a call on 1-800-780 666 or visit polishup.com.au. You honestly will be quite happy with the kit and machine should you purchase it, which I hope you do. All right, until next time. Cheers now.